How to share Canva design in WhatsApp. Here is a quick and easy guide on how to share your Canva design or template via WhatsApp. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser, then navigate to the Canva's official website. Simply tap on the search address bar and type down the canva.com and hit enter. Now, once you do so and you are in the Canva's website, make sure that you are logged into your Canva account. Now find your design in Canva. Make sure it is exactly how you want it. Now once inside the design, all you have to do is click on the share icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the copy link option available there. Once you copy link, make sure to give access to everyone. Don't keep it private, give access to everyone. Now all you have to do is paste that link on your WhatsApp text. Paste the link in your WhatsApp chat and send it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.